Once you have transferred everything over from your graphic organizer to your letter and you've formatted everything correctly, it's time to finish things up by signing it. And you're going to do that by going down to your closing, and in between your closing and your name, so I have your humble servant, you can put whatever you want there depending on who you're writing to and what sort of relationship you have with them. I'm going to click in front of my name here and press the enter key to push my name down to another line, and then put my cursor in that empty space that I created. Then I'm going to go to the insert menu, and in the insert menu, much like in Google Drawings, you have options to include different types of objects, but there is no option for simply going to the scribble, which is what we're going to use to sign our name. So instead we have to actually go to drawing, and then you're going to have some options much like you do in Google Drawings. And right over here you've got your line options, and we're going to go down to scribble just like we did with Google Drawings, and use your mouse or your trackpad to sign your name as best you can, just like we did with the Google Drawings challenges. So I'm going to go ahead and come around here and try my best, give it a little dot, and then click save and close. Now if you need to do this multiple times, no big deal, so you can always just start on over. If you want to select what you already did and delete it, you can just click on the selection tool here, and then draw a box and delete it. Or if you're happy with what you have, keep it the way it is and click save and close. Now this is huge, it should not be this big. So notice when I click on it, it gives me the options to resize it just like any other object. Always use the corners when you're resizing, not the top, not the bottom, not the left, not the right, the corners, to keep the same proportions, and drag it down so it's roughly the same size as your name down here, so it looks like it fits. Something like that, or even smaller is fine too. And then when you're done with that, follow the directions to get someone to peer edit your work and ultimately then turn it in. Let me know if you have any questions. Sign your name.